When it comes to retreads, there is a clear market leader. And when you provide one of the most cost-effective and reliable solutions on the market today, it's not hard to see why. But there is so much more to the Bandag story, which has resulted in the brand becoming the absolute leader in the production of quality retreads. Bandag has been helping customers lower their tyre costs for 5 decades and counting. We are the only company to manufacture pre-cured tread in Australia and produce more than 600,000 retreads every year. Our unique cold cure retreading process is designed to extend the life of the tyre and ensure total quality control and reliability. What's more, thanks to state-of-the-art shearography technology, Bandag is able to detect any internal product defects that may exist in the casing before it is retreaded and released to the market. Beyond our quality guarantee, there's another important reason transport and logistics companies choose the Bandag brand. Our focus on the environment means we can help companies to significantly increase their credibility in this area. This is achieved in a number of ways. Instead of disposing of high-quality worn-out cases, they can be remanufactured and put to work again and again, saving them from ending up as waste. Retreads also require significantly less oil than production of a new tyre. These benefits are further supported by the environmental focus we maintain at our Wacol manufacturing site. We are committed to reducing our environmental footprint by harvesting rainwater using solar power, recycling 200 tonnes worth of tread scrap annually, and much more. In short, you can't go wrong by choosing Bandag. We offer a complete range of retreads to suit all applications, including a premium low rolling resistance range, which delivers increased fuel savings when coupled with Bridgestone's fuel-saving Acopia casing. All of this, combined with the fact that we offer the highest quality retread product on the market, makes the choice simple.